In the category of Champion of Workforce Development, the finalists are
Exalta Coding Systems.
We're looking at this from a long-term standpoint. So when we started, we reached out to various teams to offer some of the examples: conflict resolution, how to be a better public speaker.
We do mentoring at the high school. We try to support STEM-type activities throughout the community, throughout Macomb County.
Proper Group International.
We strive to put our associates through our workforce development program, and in this case, engineering career path.
What Proper U really signifies is an educational program for our associates to feel that there's growth potential, to feel that there's a way to move up.
PTI Engineered Plastics.
In manufacturing, we have engineers, we have tool makers, we have process engineers, we have manufacturing jobs, and there's a shortage of all those people and all these people with these skill sets.
One thing that we really take pride in is our training programs. And we've actually built a training program upstairs that seats 24 people.
It's the small companies like PTI that are employing 200 or 300 or 50 or 20 people. This is the manufacturing footprint of the United States.
In the category of Startup of the Year, the finalists are
Skyblade Fan Company.
The hardest thing we have to do is to explain what it's like to stand underneath this fan that's 24 feet in diameter and say, this is what it feels like. We are going direct to the contractors, to the electrical, mechanical contractors, architectural firms.
Ethel's Edibles.
Our goal has always been to get our product out as quickly and efficiently as possible to as many people as possible. And at this point, we have about 20 items in our product line. We just received notice last week that we're going on board with Michigan State University's food program. We have a long way to go, but our goal is to take this company to a national level.
Coupon Wallet LLC.
We found that there was a strong need for digital coupons among businesses who want a local presence.
There's actually a need for a more overarching technology having to do with coupons.
It's a great team. We have a whole lot of fun and really love working here.
In the category of Energy Efficiency, the finalists are
Boyer Steel.
When we acquired the building, while they had skylights, which were very nice, they also had 31,000 watt metal halide bulbs out there. The cost of running those things was just phenomenal. I mean, there was 30,000 watts just for our lighting.
New Haven Community Schools.
This particular building that we're in is Endeavor Middle School, and it was built with energy efficiency in mind. We have LED lights. The sinks are run with infrared sensors. We added a 60-foot wind turbine outside for both curriculum and energy efficiency.
Gem Tech Group.
So what we're doing with customers is existing. When we're prospecting for new, we are looking for ways to work with them to look for different ways to save energy in the data center.
In the category of Corporate Citizen, the finalists are
First State Bank.
As a community bank, it's critical that we be actively engaged in the communities we serve. It makes us stronger, it makes our communities stronger. Making sure that our communities thrive is critical to us because it is us.
SRG Global Incorporated.
About 8 years ago now, we got involved with a company called Winning Futures. We've spent a lot of time over the years working with that organization to develop young people and to really embrace their philosophy of giving young people an opportunity.
Wolverine Harley Davidson.
Since the inception of Wolverine Harley Davidson, we've recognized the importance of being involved in the community. We then began to do a lot of work with foster care area. We found out through some investigation that We had over 800 foster care children here in Macomb County, and we thought it was very important that we help them.
In the category of Diversification Leader, the finalists are
Omega Plastics,
prototyping high-end development, and then we work through some of the pilot or bridge to production opportunities that are there with clients, and then we do low cavitation molding. So it's kind of a niche market, but it provides a great opportunity to meet some neat companies that are really developing some neat products, and we've just enjoyed it.
RCO Engineering.
RCO has become known in the automotive industry as a seat expert. Anything from design, steel, metal frames, foam, plastic parts, complete assembly, cutting and sewing of trim covers, building up seats, testing them in our Plymouth, Michigan facility, everything. And it was that expertise in automotive seating that led us into aircraft seating with Gulfstream.